mix with the baddest DJ.
I gave Djay Pro 5 fully unlocked for free. For those who did never get it, follow me and make sure you subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom sound effects on Djay Pro latest version. First thing first, make sure you have organized your sound effect in a certain folder. Now we are going to load that folder. I organized my samples in the folder and name it DJ Samples. Now load it as music to any deck of your choice. I prefer deck 2, like that. Tap to these 9 dots here for effect samples. Tap to this drop down icon and add custom packs and name it open the custom pack folder you just created. See, it's now empty. So we need load effects. Tap to the pencil icon, that is to say edit icon. Press these 3 dots. Make sure the effects it is on its initial point, because you're going to press this deck 2 icon until the effect finishes its recording. And now we rename it. You see, it is working. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorial video. Bye.